Michael, good evening. This is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. I reached out to you today and I promised to send you a video, so here it is. I just wanted to show you 3 tips you can use and really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let's get started. So I went ahead and check out your website. So I can see you have a pretty good website. Congratulations. I see some images and some text. I love that you have your form submit right here. That's a good one here. And so one thing I can say though is you might have to need a little bit more content in order to beat your competition. The reason I say that is, let me show you here. So when you come here, you can see that you're not here. This is the first page of Google. I googled Fence Repair Houston. So you're not here at the map. This is called Map Park, actually. So you're not here and you are not done here as well. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit more about this. But anyway, let's go here. So this is one of your competitions, Golf Course Fence. So these guys, they have a lot of images and a lot of content. So you want to be able to beat these guys by having more content. And what I mean by content is anything that you can highlight, whether there are images or anything behind the images or text, they're all content. So another thing I see here is that you have some keywords in here. So you have like commercial and residential roofing contractor. So you want to have stuff like this, but you want to add your city or other cities that you go to and you walk over there. So you want to add them here on your keywords so that when people search them and they're going to be able to know more about what you do and then what you do on other cities. And then when Google comes in here, Google crawls all over the internet and looking for the things that they are pleased with. So when they come in here, they're going to see that you have more content better than your competitors. And you'll be really relevant and Google will be willing to put you at the top. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google will think that you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable than your competitions. Let's talk about this. So this is Map Park. This is first page of Google. When you Google Fence Repair Houston, I showed you earlier. So this here is called Map Park. And these 3 guys here are the ones that are receiving a lot of work. And the reason is because they are pretty easy to find. And as soon as you come in here, you can see them. And there are 3 reasons why they are here. 1, having a business profile. Secondly, optimizing as much as possible. And third, getting your name, address, and phone number into many directories as possible. And these here are called organic section. So this section is pretty good to be. This is where you want to be actually. This is one of your competitions, Golf Course Fence. They are right here at the organic section. So they are getting a lot of search by being here and they are being recognized by Google. So you want to be here. And also, you want to appear over here as well at the Map Park so you can beat your competition. And this right here is a paid program. I normally use it to research on websites. It's called Ahrefs. So I went ahead and search your business here, so we can see what your numbers are. Just a minute. Let me go back here. So these are your numbers. I see that you have DR14. You have quite some high numbers. And so this number here is very important to where you fall within the Google search results. A DR ratings is like a power ratings with Google. And these numbers are generally increased by the amount of backlinks you have on this site. And backlinks is like a shout out or a click of a button from another site. So you have 248. So you have quite a good number of backlinks. So another thing I want to talk to you about here is organic keywords. Let's go ahead and get in here. So when we come in here, these are your keywords, and these are the volumes. These are how many times people have searched these keywords this month. So for example, you have change roof color. People have searched it 150 times this month. And you have wood for facial bird. So you have some keywords in here, people are searching them, but most of them are not local keywords. They are not local keywords. So these are not like everyday search people are doing. With that, let me show you something here. So this is your competition, actually, golf course fence. So let me show you, for example, fence repair Houston. You see that people have searched it 350 times. So you want to have some keywords people are looking for every day. Okay? That will give you more chance to beat your competition by having most of these keywords, and they have more than they do. That way you'll be able to beat them. So we have talked about content. You need to have more content than your competition in order so you can be able to beat them content-wise. And you need to add a little bit more keywords. In here you have a few, but you're gonna add some more with the series where you are serving. And then you wanna have some backlinks. So with that, I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks, and have a great evening.